It's November 19th. Last weekend we got a record snowstorm, and I realized I didn't have a snow shovel, so I just got my new Snow Joe from Amazon.com. I got this with the old man handle because my back is not the greatest, so I figured let's give it a try. So I got a lot of work ahead of me. I've never seen that much snow, and it was incredible. I hope this helps my back and I can get through this job, but we're going to give it a try, so time to get started. Whoa, that's a lot of snow. Gosh. I don't even know where to start. Alright. I don't know if I can do this too many more years like this. I've shoveled snow like this for 60 years, and I'm telling you, it gets old. Okay, survived another blizzard. Highly recommend the Snow Joe.